Hello, I'm Zach. Thanks for listening to our May 2020 spring newsletter video. Boy, the quarantine is among us still, but we've had such great weather to enjoy the outdoors. Just noticed so many more families walking together and spending time together. I know I've done that with my family and my kids, and just been really thankful this spring to have a true spring, and in that we've had cool mornings, nice warm days. But it's just been right. So we've enjoyed being able to work outside. We feel very fortunate and very blessed to still have jobs and be able to work right now and serve you guys. We really do enjoy taking care of our landscapes. Our guys are very positive. We see a lot of positive talk around the shop here, keeping our distance from one another, but it's still a very lively bunch around here that we have, and I hope our guys are displaying that too when they're on your property. That is part of who we are, and we really do value those things. So we're grateful for the chance to serve you. A couple of things that we're looking for as we come into May. Our spring fertilizer for the turf will go down here in the first week or two of May. Soil temperatures are on their way up or on the rise. That will enable our grass and their roots to really take up those nutrients that we're putting down for you. A lot of the fertilizer is not going to be wasted because we've waited to a time where the soil temperature is warmer, the grass can use all of that stuff. So you're really going to start seeing the grass jump here over the next 30 days. Centipede, zoysia, St. Augustine, all those grass will really push out runners and fill and thicken up your lawn. So it should be very nice as you look over the next 30 days. A couple of the things that we offer coming into May that definitely benefit a lot of soils is things like lawn aeration. You can look further down in the newsletter and actually read more about this, but we are scheduling many of our lawns to be aerated here in the month of May, and even some carrying over into June. Aeration, if you don't know, it pulls out little cores of the soil and it offers a chance for the soil to breathe a little better. So it benefits a soil, particularly soils that are heavy and have a lot of clay content, maybe have a lot of compaction because it's an area that's highly traveled, a lot of traffic, whatnot. That will help your lawn breathe a little better, and it will also help the uptake of nutrients better. So that's an extra service that we offer. If you're interested in that, you can read a little bit more about it in the bottom of our newsletter, but call us and we can get you on schedule to do that as well. A few of the other treatments that we offer: fire ants. We see a lot of fire ants waking up this time of year, especially with the rain that we've had. Fire ants come to the surface, they start to form those mounds, and those are things that we look to eliminate in your lawn. We have some really good products available out there that are, they are an additional cost, but they would be like a year-long protection program against fire ants. So some really great products that we can offer that we're licensed to put down for you and your property. So give us a call if that is a problem for you as well. Another comment I'll make is about irrigation. As you look to set up your irrigation clocks, we've had a lot of rain over the month of April. So we want to be careful not to overwater our lawns. With these cooler nights, you can welcome in fungus in your grass if you're overwatering. 2 to 3 days a week at most right now is plenty to set your clocks up to run. If you've had several weeks in a row like we've had where we're getting 3 or more inches of rain in a week, in many cases you can cut your clock off, and I hope that you've been able to do that and conserve water and avoid overwatering. If our crews are out there and they're noticing too much water on your lawn, you can expect a knock on the door. Just ask if you need any help setting up your clock or adjusting those settings. We're available to do that. If you have any questions, you're also welcome to reach out to us, and we'll be glad to help. The last thing I'll say is because of all this rain, we've had a lot of delays in our mowing schedules. The grass is not fully growing yet, so we're not mowing in every week right now. But in some cases we've been delayed because it's been just too wet to get on our lawn. So if you look out there and you think, well, why didn't the guys cut this week? They're trained to look and notice, and they don't want to put any machines on your lawn that would cause damage and have a potential to rut up your lawn or cause further damage to it by mowing it when the ground's just too soft. So it's better to wait a week than to do that and cause damage. So again, any questions or concerns, let us know. We're available to help with any of those drainage situations you may have or any other concerns. Again, we're really grateful to have the chance to serve you. Thanks so much for watching our May 2020 newsletter video.